Tucked away on the edge of Bavaria, Lindau sits quietly on Lake Constance, an island town where time seems to pause. Walk along its peaceful harbor where the Bavarian lion stands guard, and the lighthouse watches over the calm waters. Colorful buildings reflect in the lake like brushstrokes on canvas. Cobblestone alleys lead to charming squares, medieval towers, and moments of pure stillness. Here, the air feels lighter, the light feels softer, and every corner whispers a story. This is Lindau, a place to breathe, wander, and remember.